There are a few things that have changed power and life forever. Apostle coming off his good job in 1994 to go full-time ministry. And in 1999, Pastor Benny Doja was installed as an apostle. But how can we ever forget one of our greatest moments in power and light history, the installation of the vending machine at our 123rd Street location.
I like all them colors you got on. You so sharp.
I like colors.
Call her Kiki.
What?
Let's go play jump rope on a parking lot.
No, I got to go up to the gas station and get me a Twix. I need my Twix fix, boo.
Call her Kiki. Now you know they not gonna let us get, them ushers not gonna let us get off that parking lot.
Well, let's go to the vending machine, because I got to get me a Twix.
You sure don't need no Twix.
Don't worry about me, boo. Don't worry about me, boo. Let me see what the... Girl, they done went up 5 cents on the Twix.
5 cents? How much you got?
Wretched. I ain't got no but 65 cents. They make me so mad. I gave all my money in the offering. You got 5 cents?
Girl, let me see. All I got is these 5 pennies. I ain't got no nickels. You know.
Give me them 5 pennies, boo, because see, I'm finna get my Twix.
Wait a minute now, Cola Waikiki. You know that vending machine don't take no pennies.
This vending machine takes slugs. I got 2 Twix last week.
You was the one put them slugs in there?
Yes, I did, boo.
He was looking for you. He was looking for you.
Listen, I'm gonna put these pennies. This is a hood vending machine. It take pennies, link cards, slugs, gas station cards, whatever you want to put in here. This vending machine will take it. I'm about to get my Twix.
You gonna be in trouble. Don't do it. Don't.
Oh, you get on my nerves. You so wretched. The machine's stuck now. My pennies is stuck in this machine. Oh, you get on my nerves. Here come LD. Oh my God.
As you can probably tell by now, people were so desperate to get their weekly fix, whether it was Flaming Hots or Twix, they would come with dollars, quarters, nickels, and even pennies. One Wednesday night, there was some pennies in that vending machine. And Elder Acie was so determined to find out who put them pennies in that vending machine that he bust right into our Bible class during the announcements.
Now, who put the pennies in the vending machine?
You a trick.
Where you at? Come here. Now, you come on here. Come here.
You a trick.
Why'd you do it?
Acie, you don't understand. It's like a Twix fix. It's like it be calling me. I be needing them Twix. I need like a 12-step program or something.
You don't need no 12-step program. All you need is Jesus. Now, come here. Come here. Give me them ears. You take this and leave that chocolate alone.
Thank you, Elder Acie.
Mm-hmm. Well, come on.
Believe me, there was no other man that could have managed this revenue-generating, stomach-pleasing machine. He did it with a smile. Fortunate kids got something free if they caught them stocking it. And those that was caught putting pennies in the vending machine even got their ears pulled. But it was worth it. This is our tribute to Elder Acie.